welcome to this session. Today we are going to continue our multiplication chapter, that is exercise 5.2, multiplying 3-digit number. Students, till now you have done 2-digit multiplication in your class 2. Now we are going to go ahead of multiplication, that is 3-digit multiplication. First question says find the product. In this question, our A part says 132 has to be multiplied with 4. Students, to do this multiplication, we need to know the table of 4. That means you need to have the knowledge of tables. Without knowing the tables by heart, it is not at all possible to do the multiplication sums. It means you have to learn the tables by heart so that you are able to solve this multiplication sums properly. So, 132 when multiplied with 4, what will be the product? For this, I have written the 4 table here. You also need to write the table when you are going to solve your sum. You also should write down the table somewhere so that it is easy for you to solve it. Now 4 has to be multiplied with 2. As we do in the addition or the subtraction, we start from the ones place. In the multiplication also, we need to start from the ones place. 4 when multiplied with 2, what will be the answer? That means 4 2s are 8. Now you will multiply 4 with the second place, that the tens place. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So you write the 2 here and take the other digit carried over to the next place, that is the hundreds place. Now we have to multiply with the hundreds digit, that is 1. 4 multiplied with 1, 4 multiplied with 1 is 4, plus the next step which is important is the carryover has to be added with the multiplied answer, that is 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, which gives you the answer as the product 528. So students, let's solve one more sum of the same question, that is the D part. 152 multiplied with 6. Again, we have written the 6 table here so that it is easy to solve this sum. Now, first ones digit to be multiplied, that is 6 multiplied with 2 is 12. 6 2s are 12. 2 here and 1 carried to the next place. So, 6 multiplied with 5. 6 5s are 30 plus the carried digit up, that is 1. 30 plus 1 becomes 31. Carry 3 above, because 31, 1 we are writing here and the 3 we are carrying it above to the next place. Now 6 to be multiplied with the hundreds digit, that is 1. 6 1s are 6 plus the carry, that is 3. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. With this we get the product as 912. Now question number 2, find the product. Here also we have to find the product, but the answer which we are going to get will be of 4-digit number. Last 2 questions we did, in that we had 2 sums, we had 3-digit number answer. Now when it comes for 4-digit, how to write we will know after multiplying and finding the product. 543 to be multiplied with 3. Again children, I have written the table of 3 here so that it becomes easy to solve the sum. Till now you must have come to know with the help of this table as in the side we are able to solve the question easily. Now, coming to the multiplication, 3 multiplied with the ones digit, that is 3 multiplied with 3. 3 threes are 9. Coming to the next place, that is the tens place, 3 multiplied with 4. 3 fours are 12. 2 here, 1 carried to the next place. Now 3 when multiplied with the hundreds digit, that is 5. 3 fives are 15. Then add the carry with 15, that is 15 plus 1 6. 15 plus 1 16. 6 here and 1 carried to the thousands place. Now students, you don't have any digit on the thousands place. So we need to bring the carry over just like that. As we don't have anything, we assume this as a 0. 3 multiplied with 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 1 becomes 1, or else you can bring down the carry just like that, as we don't have any number to multiply. So your product becomes 1629. Now coming to the D part of this question, this says 518 to be multiplied with 8. Again I have written the 8 table on the side. 8 to be multiplied with the ones digit. 8 8s are 64. So children, we will write 4 here and 6 carried over. Now 8 to be multiplied with the tens place digit, that is 8 ones are 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 here and 1 carried over to the other place, that is the next place. Then multiplying the 8 with the hundreds digit, that is 5. 8 multiplied with 5 is 40. 8 fives are 40 plus 1 41. 1 here and 4 carried to the next place. Now children, you don't have any digit on the thousands place to be multiplied with 8. So we bring down the 4 just like that, as nothing to be multiplied. The carried over is to be brought down just like that, and your product becomes 4144. So students, with the help of these examples, sums complete your rest of the exercise. So students, with the help of these sums, complete your book work of exercise 5.2. Thank you.